Imagine a planet that looks like a beautiful blue marble just like Earth.
But instead of water, it rains molten glass sideways at 7,000 kilometers per hour.
Welcome to HD 1897333B, the universe's most beautiful slaughterhouse.
Wait! Before you fall in love with that blue color, hit that subscribe button right now. Honestly, are you waiting for me to send you a 3D printed invitation made of glass?
Or is your thumb paralyzed from watching too many boring cat videos? Subscribe now.
Or I'll tell the simulation creator to make your phone screen crack every time you drop it.
If you think you're tough enough to survive a glass storm, comment glass blender below.
Let's see who's actually brave. Done? Good.
So look at this planet. It's a deep, beautiful azure blue. From a distance, it looks like the perfect tropical vacation spot. But here is the reality check. That blue color doesn't come from oceans. It comes from silicate particles scattering blue light. Basically, the entire atmosphere is filled with tiny shards of glass.
And because it's so close to its star, the winds here travel at 7 times the speed of sound.
That means the glass rain isn't falling down, it's flying sideways at over 4,000 miles per hour.
It's not a planet, it's a giant supersonic sandblaster that would peel your skin off
in 0.1 seconds. But wait, it gets even worse. The temperature on this blue ball of death is over 900 degrees Celsius.
So you're not just being hit by glass shards at supersonic speeds, you're being hit by molten glass shards. It's like being inside a giant hairdryer filled with liquid Sharpies and liquid glass. One side of the planet is permanently facing its star, causing the glass to evaporate into a gas. When that gas travels to the cooler dark side, it condenses into liquid glass and rains down. Most science channels will tell you it's a hot Jupiter, but I'm telling you it's the universe's way of saying, don't come here, I'm busy killing everything. Imagine trying to take a walk here with an umbrella.
Within a millisecond, your umbrella would turn into blue confetti.
And you would turn into a very expensive blue-tinted smoothie before you could even scream.
Why does this planet even exist? Is it a natural wonder?
Or did the simulation creator just have a really bad day and decide to build a meat grinder?
It's a magnificent, terrifying, and absolutely ridiculous planet.
It's like the universe is mocking our tiny, fragile human bodies. Oh, you like blue planets? Here's one that will shred you into molecules.
Absolute savage moves by the cosmos.
If you are still here and haven't commented glass blender yet, what's wrong with you?
Are you already hiding in a basement? Drop a comment and tell me.
If you had a suit that could protect you for 10 seconds, would you visit this place? Or are you too smart to die for a view? Don't be a coward, let me know.
HD 1897333B proves that looks can be very, very deceiving in deep space.
Subscribe to Planet Snaps right now before I send a supersonic glass storm to your bedroom window. Stay curious, stay savage, and remember, don't trust every blue planet you see. Peace out.